Happy Pride! My name is Harry and I'm an organizer at the Disability Policy Consortium. As a queer disabled organizer, I'm thinking a lot this month about our movement ancestors. In the late 80s, during the fight for the Americans with Disabilities Act, when politicians were debating whether people with HIV and AIDS should be included in its protections, the disability activists said no, we're not leaving our LGBTQ siblings behind. Now, in 2020, in the middle of yet another global pandemic, and after the recent passing of AIDS activist Larry Kramer, I find myself reflecting on the AIDS crisis, the legacy of ACT UP, and the solidarity displayed by the disability community in the fight for the ADA. We at the Disability Policy Consortium are here for the LGBT community, and I know my queer community is here for disabled people who are especially vulnerable during this pandemic. We have learned that the struggles of disabled people and queer people are interconnected, and we all need to be fighting for each other right now.
Hi, my name is R. Feynman. I'm a disabled non-binary person and community organizer at the Disability Policy Consortium. I'm starting an advocacy project focusing specifically on the needs of disabled trans people / trans people with disabilities in Massachusetts. As far as I can tell, this isn't something that there are specific advocacy groups for, and I know that we have needs that are going unaddressed. The first part of this project is just talking to other trans people with disabilities and getting to know each other. I want to talk to people with a broad range of experiences and identities around disability, gender, race, transition, class, ethnicity, etc. Once I have had some more of these conversations, the next step will be bringing together trans disabled people who are interested in making change. We will decide on a local problem to address. Then we will come up with a plan together and get started improving conditions for ourselves and for our communities. If you're interested in participating in any part of this process, please reach out to me. My email is rfeynman@dpcma.org, and my work number, which can receive texts, is 617-307-7775. I'm so excited to talk to you.
Hola, Feliz Pride. My name is Candice. I'm an ombudsman at My Ombudsman program. Our program is an independent nonprofit organization, and we're neutral parties who are not only helpful to members in English, but also ASL, Mandarin, Portuguese, and Spanish. We work with members of Mass Health plans, including ACOs, MCOs, SCOs, PCC, PACE, MBHP, and OneCare. We answer members' questions about accessing benefits and services and help them understand their rights to an appeal or a grievance. My Ombudsman program empowers individuals, their families, and caregivers to reach fair resolutions.